And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow.
Hello everyone, in today's video I'm showing you how we did this makeover in our bathroom for under $75. My husband hung up this shiplap and these barnwood shelves for me. I made the decor on the shelves using Dollar Tree items mostly. I'll be showing you throughout the video how I made these. If you would like to see how we put this all together, then please keep watching.
To see the horizon and the far.
For the shiplap, my husband cut down 11 pieces of pine trim boards. They were in the size 1x6. He then placed the boards on the wall and put a quarter between the boards on each end to create some nice spacing. Then he took his nail gun and nailed them to the wall.
On my face.
He then took some old barnwood we bought off of Facebook and made 2 shelves for above the toilet.
It's a rage. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow.
So I went ahead and put a couple of coats of white paint on here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it at this. I was thinking of putting one more coat, but I like that it's sort of imperfect if you get really close, and I didn't want it to be super stark white. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off all of this painter's tape, and then I'm gonna start to decorate.
For my first DIY, I found these 2 Dollar Tree jars that I use for storing Q-tips and cotton balls. I taped off the tops and then painted them with a black paint.
Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not
I also took an old apothecary jar that was only $1 at a garage sale, and I painted the top and bottom to match. I use this jar to hold and display my soaps.
well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live.
Next, I took this Dollar Tree sign and turned it into a cute men's and women's restroom sign. For this, I just printed off the man and woman clip art and chose between 3 different sizes which would work best for the sign. I then painted the wood sign with my Waverly white chalk paint. Next, I cut out the little people that I printed off. Then I took some Mod Podge from the Dollar Tree and just glued them down. After that, I covered the whole sign with Mod Podge so the people wouldn't budge. I then went over them with some black paint since the glue gives them a white cast. And that's all I did for this super easy sign. It cost me only $1 to make. Next, I decided to make another bathroom sign with a Dollar Tree sign. I first went around the back side with an X-Acto knife to remove the canvas. Once it was detached, I cut around the creased edges. Then I painted the canvas white. I took the frame and painted it black. I decided to write in Ray Dunn inspired font, "Nice butt." I thought this would be so cute and funny to decorate with. I just traced over my letters onto the canvas with a pen and then went back over with a permanent marker. You could always order a decal to make this look nicer, but I wanted to keep it really cheap, so I just freehanded it. I just added a little hot glue to the back to secure it, and that was all I did for this adorable sign. For this next canvas, I followed the exact same steps as my last sign. I wanted a little sign that said, "Less is more," to go on the back side of our toilet. This 4x6 canvas was perfect for that. Like the other signs, this canvas was from the Dollar Tree. I then took this Dollar Tree jute rope and decided to put little handles on this black basket that I also got from the Dollar Tree. All I did was use a little hot glue to secure the rope.
This is a good day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife.
I then used another one of those black baskets to hold these white wash rags that I rolled and secured with twine.
On my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face,
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed and got some inspiration, then please hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more decorating videos from me in the future. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful and blessed day.